All right, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. This is the day that God has made. I'm rejoicing, and I hope that you've been rejoicing in it because you know what? We didn't have to wake up this morning, but we did. Everything may not be going the way that we want it to go right now, but you know what? Change is only a mindset and a day, a week, a month, or a second away. Hey, look, this is the Cash Cow Postcard Program. Okay, this is not my postcard program, but I will be posting it on the Cash Cow Program website. Okay, you're gonna see it's at least three postcard programs that I'm involved in that I want to share with you that can help you. Okay, this is one of them. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to break this down. But to see any of my programs, go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Or you can give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Okay, or go to cashcowprogram.com. All right, what I want you to do is subscribe to the channel down there. So just click on the subscribe button, okay? And I want you to share this video with someone, okay? Because it's going to be very helpful and very educational for you, okay? And give me the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Now, let's talk about this Cash Cow. Cash Cow is a system that's going to help you make money. Now, with this postcard, I've been doing very well with, so that's why I'm offering it to you. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how the postcard looks. Very well done. Okay, your stamp go right here. All right, your leads will go right here. When you get started with this program with me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you 100 leads. I'm going to send you personally 100 leads. Not only that, but I'm going to give you my postcard stamp club flyer. Okay, this flyer is going to help you to receive $50 over and over again as a residual income. And look at this, people. They're going to select to send you 100, 200, 300, or 400 postcard stamps, people. And I'm doing this because I know this has been working for me, and I want the Cash Cow 100 postcard system to work for you too. So right here, when you get started, a person's gonna send you $50 and they're gonna select 100 stamps, 200 stamps, 300 stamps, or 400 stamps. Your name's gonna go here. When they get started and your name go in this box right here, people, you're going to get a residual income of $50 and 100, 200, 300, or 400 postcard stamps just by joining me in business. This is going to be free to you for joining the Cash Cow 100. That's what I'm giving to you free. All right. Also, you're gonna you're gonna get 100 leads free. Now, again, this is a beautiful postcard, people. Here's a phone number here where they can call. They can receive a 24/7 recorded message. They can sit there and listen to it. All right. When you get this in the mail, the company WTM Pub is gonna send you 100 of them free. Okay. But I'm giving you a lead. You put your leads right here, put your stamp right here, and people, you drop this in the mail. Now, this is the back of the card. This is what the back looks like, and it's giving you instructions and giving the person that received this in the mail instructions on what to do. It's basically two levels. Okay, it's two levels right here. Look, imagine. Just imagine. This is on level one. 10 people sending you $100. That's $1,000 right there, people. $1,000 in your mailbox. All right. Level one, this is my information. Okay. Level two, this is Derek. This is my sponsor information. And right here is box. This is basically, you can say box number 3. This is WTM Pub. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get 3 $100 money orders. You're going to get 3 $100 money orders. You're gonna make one out to Ricky Reed. Okay. And you're gonna make another separate money out to Derek. And you're gonna make another separate money order out to WTM Pub. Okay, you're gonna mail all 3 money orders to WTM Pub. You don't have to send anything to me. You don't have to send anything to the Derek. WTM Pub is taking care of all of that, people. This is so simple and so easy. All right. And so once you mail it to them, what they're going to do is they're going to send you 100 of these postcards. You're going to get 100. Okay, again, this is the front of the postcard. This is the back of the postcard. Okay, and just explain it to them in detail what to do. Purchase 3 $100 money orders. Okay, make one payable to WTM Pub, as I explained to you. One is paid to WTM Pub. Okay. Now, make the other 2 money orders payable to the names of level 1 and 2. Level 1, Ricky Reed. Level 2 is Derek. Okay, and you're gonna send all 3 money orders to WTM Pub, and they will be sending out the payments. And the same thing will happen to you when they get your postcard. Okay, they're gonna follow the instructions here, and WTM Pub is gonna send you your payment with your name on it and with your money order. And people, it is as simple as that. All right, it is as simple as that. And as a bonus, again, I'm giving you my postcard stamp club, which is a value of $50. This is what people are paying me to get this flyer, $50, and they're going to select 100, 200, 300, or 400 stamp people. You can receive a residual income of $50 and 100, 200, 300, or 400 stamps in the mail over and over again. All right. Now this is the order form right here. This is the order form, and here's the front of the postcard. Here's the back of the postcard, and here's your instructions. Okay, if you want your phone number on here, you just simply click your phone number. If you want your email, you just simply put your email on here. All right, and that will be going like right here. Phone number or your email can go right here. Okay, so you get to see. Now, this will be added to the Cash Cow Program website. It will be added to the Cash Cow Program website. Okay, because many of you have been asking me what else am I doing, and I want you to be involved in some other things I'm doing too, and that's dealing with postcards. So this is the first one that I'm posting. If this worked well, then I'll just post the other ones on there as well. But basically, you could give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Tell me you want the Cash Cow postcard program, and I'll get this to you. Basically, it's $300 one time. That's it. Because remember, you send in $100 of money order in my name, 100 in Derek's name, and 100 in WTM Pub. WTM Pub is the one that's sending out payments to people. But you need to put your name, your street address, everything here. You need to fill this out, okay? And when you mail this in with those payments, they're gonna make sure I get the payment. They're gonna make sure Derek gets the payment. And then in about a week to 2 weeks after processing, then you'll be getting all your information, your cards. Once I get payment, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a call, and I'm sending you this postcard stamp club flyer along with 100 leads to send your postcards to. I'm making sure that you're getting cash and that you're going to get stamps for joining me with this. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. This is the Cash Cow 100 program. This is Rick Reed. Hey, go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. You can give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. I look forward to working with you and helping you make as much money as you want. $100 bills, unlimited, coming into your mailbox.